If you've been looking for your up north getaway in Western Michigan, Mason County specifically, you can stop your search. This 80-acre parcel is right off of a paved, county-maintained road with electric at the street. That's Rybicki Road with access right off of it. The quality of timber throughout is very high. It's a beautiful parcel. You've got an off-grid cabin on it. You've got great hunting opportunities, and don't forget all of the river access nearby and recreational opportunities that comes along with this parcel. You guys check out the video, watch for the details. If you have specific questions, give me a ring. That's at 231-327-1701, and I hope to see you out here.